Yeah. Abhiyan Duhan, remove the emojis. Yes, have we started the new chapter in this class? Or we are still doing 9.6?
Sir, we are doing 9.6.
Huh? Yesterday, I think we started the new chapter.
No, sir. Sir, yesterday there is no period of maths.
There was no period of maths yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir, you have sent it the video of class 5th A on the group, the recording.
I sent the recording of class 5A in the group.
Yes, sir.
In your
Yes,
group.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, yesterday my period was in 5th day, second period. Daily it is on 5B. Yesterday it was in 5th day. I sent the video in your class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So, which question we have to do in 9.6?
Sir,
So for
section B, 3.
Section B, question number 4 we have done.
No, sir. Sir, we are in 3.
We are on the third question.
Yes, sir.
An athlete runs 201
yes, sir.
kilometers. This one we have to do or we have done this?
Sir, we have to do.
We have to do.
So we have to do this.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Question number 3. 9.6. Question 3. An athlete runs 201 kilometer in 30 days. How much does he run in one day? So there is an athlete, he runs 201 kilometers in 30 days.
The answer is 606,030.
The distance covered by the athlete in 30 days, it is given 201 kilometers. What will be the distance covered in 1 day?
So we will divide.
Divide, yes. 201 divided by 30. So 30, 201. Now, how to divide this? So first you will take 36 times. You will get 180. 30 into 6 is 180. The difference is 21. 21 is the remainder. Now what? Now this is
21.
this is smaller than 30. So you
Sir,
have
point.
to insert a point here, decimal, and here also you will write a decimal in place of dividend and in place of question, both the places. Now after writing decimal, you can write a 0 and then copy down 0 from the dividend. You can copy it down. So now this number becomes 210. 210. So you can write
7.
37 is 210. The difference is 0. So 0 is the remainder. What is the answer? 6.7. So 6.7 kilometers. This much distance is covered by the athlete every day. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you all done this in the copies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will start with the next one. Okay, next one. Question 4. Question 4 is, you need 20 pieces of ribbon, each of length 24 centimeters. Sorry, 2.4 centimeters. How much ribbon do you need in all? So length of one piece of ribbon is 2.4 centimeters. What will be the length of ribbon required for 20 pieces? So simple case of multiplication.
Multiply.
Length of each
We will multiply.
piece of ribbon equals to 2.4 centimeters. Okay. So length of 20 pieces of ribbon two point four multiplied by 20. Okay. So you can multiply now. 20 multiplied by 2.4. 4 into 0, 0, 8, 0, 4, 4, 8, 0 is your product. Now what to do of the decimal? You can count the number of decimal places in both the numbers. Only one decimal place is there.
Sir,
Only. So one from
sir, 48.0.
yeah. Start from the right
Sir,
side.
I have done.
Start from the right side and leave one digit and then put a decimal. So 48.0. 48.0 is also equals to 48. Simply 48 you can write. 48 centimeter is the answer. So in the end you can write down a statement. Length of ribbon
Sir,
required
I have done.
equals to 48 centimeter. Length of ribbon required equals to 48 centimeters. Got it? And in the copies, all of you?
Yes, sir, done in the copy.
Day before yesterday,
Sir, done.
we had a class on Tuesday. There was a period. on
Yes,
Tuesday.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And last
Yes,
Saturday
sir.
it was a holiday. Last Saturday. It was a holiday Saturday. Last Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
Okay, now the next one. Question number 5. Question 5. The question is 44 divided by 176 is equal to sorry. On the next page, what problems we are doing? The driver is paid. It should be a driver, not the driver. A driver is paid rupees 85.50 per day. How much will he earn in 15 days? Again, you have to multiply.
We will multiply.
Yes.
Sir, yes, we will multiply.
So multiply.
Amount paid the driver in 1 day. Paid to the driver in 1 day. What is the amount? It is 85.50 rupees. 85.50. So rupees. Do you all know how to make the symbol of rupees?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
85.50. Okay, rupees 85.50. Amount paid in 15 days. What will be amount paid in 15 days? If the amount paid in 1 day is 85.50, what will be total amount of 15 days? Multiplied by 15. 85.50 multiplied by 15. So you can find the product now. 05742.
So the answer is 12825050.
055. Sorry. 0558 05218 12. So there are two decimal places. This is the product first of all. Now there are two decimal places in both the numbers. Total number of decimal places are only two. So start from the right side and link
Sir,
to
2.
1282.50. This is his total amount. Rupees. Don't forget to write the unit. What is the unit in this case? It is rupees. 1282.50. This is here.
50.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Note down the question. Very easy questions these are. I hope you all have understood. Is it easy to do multiplication and division of decimal numbers? Have you all understood it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
have understood, and sir, it's easy.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Done.
Okay. Question number 6. 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. How much sugar is consumed in a house? So 3 houses together, they consume 18.6 kg of sugar. Okay. So you have to find out what is the consumption of sugar in one house. Again, you will divide in this case. Sugar consumed in 3 houses. It is 18.6 kgs. 18.6 kgs. So what is sugar consumed in one house? Simply divide 18.6 by 3. 18.6 divided by 3. Let's do the division. 18.6. So 6 times it gives you 18. Remainder is 0. Now when you are copying a digit after decimal, you have to put a decimal here. When you
Excuse
copy a
me,
digit
sir.
after decimal, yes.
Sir, what is written in the first statement? Sugar in?
Sugar consumed. Sugar consumed in 3 hours. So sorry, 3 houses. Sugar
Okay, sir.
consumed in 3 houses equals to 18.6 kg. CONS.
6.2.
Yeah. So when you copy the first digit after decimal, you have to put a decimal here. Keep your mics off, all of you. Saksham, keep your mic off. So when you copy the first digit after decimal, you put a decimal in the quotient. Now this becomes 6. So 2 times 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Okay. So difference 0. That means the remainder is 0. 6.2 kg. 6.2 kgs is the answer. Abhiyan, keep your mic off. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
Sir, in the first statement, you have written sugar in consumed.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
That's
No,
why,
no,
sir,
sir.
I was confused.
It was by mistake. Sorry. It was by mistake. Sugar consumed. This will be only sugar consumed in 2 times I wrote in before consumed also and after consumed. Sugar consumed in 3 houses. Okay.
Sir, sorry for coming late, sir. Due to network connection problems, sir, I was unable to connect.
Okay. Last question.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Question 7. The question is a cake weighing 7.5 kg was divided among 30 people. There was a cake of 7.5 kg. It was divided in 30 people. What will be the share of each person? Okay. So quantity of cake for 30 people is 7.5 kgs. Quantity of cake for 30 people is 7.5 kgs. What is the quantity of for one person? What will be the quantity of cake for one person? This you have to find out.
Sir, divide.
Quantity of cake for each person, या फिर one person.
Sir, we have to
7.5
divide in this.
divided by 30. So you have to divide in this case. So look at this carefully, all of you. 7.5 divided by 30. Look at this, all of you. We take the first digit 7. Now 7 is smaller than 30. 7 is smaller than 30. So you have to take 2 digits. We will take both the digits. Yes or no? Because
Yes,
the
sir.
first digit is smaller than
Yes,
30.
sir.
We will take both the digits. But the second digit is coming after decimal. So you are taking a digit which is coming after decimal. So you will start your question with a decimal. Now you can take the second digit also. Clear or not? When
Yes,
you
sir.
are taking both the
Yeah.
digits and the digit 5 is coming after decimal, so you have to take it, otherwise it is not possible to do the question. So now you are taking a digit after decimal, so you start with your answer, your question with decimal. Okay. So now you can take both the digits. 75. So 32 times is equal to 60. 2 times of 30 is equal to 60. Difference is 15. Now you can, because this number is already having a decimal, you can simply write a 0 here and then copy down a 0. 150. So 5, 30 into 5 is 150. Remainder 0. Clear? Answer is 0.25 kgs.
Okay, sir.
0.25 kgs. Easy. Easy peasy.
Yes, sir.
Easy peasy. 0.25 kgs. 250 ग्राम. एक बंदा 250 ग्राम केक खाएगा. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it.
Nice. Okay, so now I am giving you a word problem, extra question. Okay. Extra question I am giving you. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
note down the question in your copies. Okay. So you will be able to see the question on my screen. I will share my screen, okay? And you can see the question on the screen. 1 minute, just a minute. Yeah. So I have the question on my screen. So I will be, you all have done this. I hope you all have done this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you all ready? I will be sharing my screen, and
Yes,
on my
sir.
screen you will see a question. You will note down that question in your fair copies. First thing is that you will note down the question in your copies, in your fair copies, and then you will start doing the question. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, so I'm sharing the screen now. Note the question first. First, note down the question in your copies. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this is the
Yes, sir.
question. Question number 3. 1 kg basmati rice. You don't write this question number, just write extra question. Okay, write down the heading, extra question, and then note down the question. 1 kg basmati rice costs rupees. Instead of dollar, make it rupees. Instead of dollar, make it rupees. 1 kg of basmati rice costs rupees 43.75. Okay, rupees 43.75. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice. So this is the question. Start doing it. Put down the question first and then start doing it.
So we have to divide, multiply.
Yes. 1 kg of basmati rice costs rupees. In place of dollar की जगह rupees लिख लीजिए. Basmati rice costs rupees 43.75. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice.
I have done the solution also.
Done the solution also. Very good. So I have done the correction for you.
The answer is 731 kg.
Now can you all see the question?
731 rupees. Sorry.
Must be very clear. Can you all see the question on the screen now? 1 kg of basmati rice costs rupees 43.75. It is
Sir,
rupees.
we can see.
I have done the correction. Instead of dollar, I have made it rupees. Keep your mics off, please, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Done the question?
No, sir.
You are
Sir, anybody writing something on the screen?
stop writing.
Sir, it is. I am not writing. I have red color, not the yellow color.
Abhiyan has done this. Abhiyan Duhan, what are you doing? Okay,
Sir,
done.
done. Sir, done.
Good.
Sir, done.
Sir,
Very good. So tell me the answer of the question.
Sir,
Sir,
737.75.
Okay, let me
700.
Sir,
show you the answer.
Uh,
The answer is
816.95.
this is the solution. It is on your screen, all of you. You can check your answers.
So my answer is correct.
Cost of 1 kg rice, 43.75 rupees. Cost of 7 kg of rice, 43.75 multiplied by 7. You all can see this. We have to multiply 43.75 multiplied by 7. And here you can see your answer. 743.
Sir, my answer is wrong.
743.75 is the answer.
So my answer is correct.
Okay, so the meeting is about to end. Okay, have you all checked your answers?
Yes, sir.
Stop sharing this.
sir.
My answer is
Yes,
wrong.
sir, my answer is
So mine is wrong.
My